Back in 2018, I came across the small British tripod company, Three-Legged Thing.
Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant, and today I want to talk about tripods.
Strange name, but nicely done, well-placed tripods the company continues to refine. I've used and reviewed many tripods and tripod heads over the years. Theirs and others I like very much, including, but not limited to, FLM and Softler from Germany, Cartoni in Italy, Gitzo, originally in France, now in Italy too, and of course American company Peak Design. But Three-Legged Thing is the quirkiest and most personal of them all. So when I received an email from Three-Legged Thing asking me if I'd like to take a look at their new Darken Brian Tripod 2.0 with Airhead Neo ball head and a new L bracket for a Nikon Z7 II, I said, sure. More out of a, gee, I like these guys mindset than a, hoo boy, new color, or whoa, L bracket, baby. For all of that, what can I tell you about these latest additions to the Three-Legged Thing catalog? Well, first I have to mention that they sent this stuff to me with no expectation that I return it. Although, with this said, I was not paid to make this video, they had no say over this video, and they are seeing it for the very first time at the same time you are. More importantly, I can tell you that the Darken Brian is an evolution of their last Brian 2.0 with a very I'm Batman vibe with even nicer fit and finish, which was already fine. It is a nicely designed carbon fiber travel tripod, keenly priced, I think, at about $300, that can extend almost 2 meters high. Maybe a little higher? Not quite sure about that. Go as low as a couple of inches off the surface as a tabletop tripod by unscrewing all 3 legs and screwing in what they call their Vans footwear. And each of those legs is capable of serving as a monopod, although you'll still only have one head. If it doesn't fold down quite as compactly as Peak's carbon fiber travel tripod, if it weighs about a third more, which it does, if it is not as innovative as Peak Design's carbon fiber travel tripod is, and it isn't, the Darken Brian is also half the price of the $650 Peak Design, has a 50% higher load capacity than the Peak Design. It can go higher than the Peak Design, is a bit more robust than the Peak Design, and the Airhead Neo is actually much easier to use, more robust, and accepts a wider array of Arca-Swiss compatible QR plates than the Peak Design. Similarly, Three-Legged Thing's L bracket is solidly machined and finished and attaches nicely to Claudia's Z7 II, if not with quite the same finish or perfectly meshed of a block of granite feel of the more than twice the price L modular plate system from, say, Really Right Stuff. So I'll wrap it up this way. Three-Legged Thing offers nice, well-priced gear with a bit of personality. The trade-offs necessary to get there well considered. And while the Darken Brian 2.0 is an example of a travel tripod, a genre far less stable than, say, traditional cinesticks like my drastically larger and more expensive Cartoni SDS-8, it had no trouble allowing one of our attendees at our Streets of New York photography workshop, Norman Allen, thank you, Norman, to capture images from a rooftop on the Lower East Side like this. That works. If you like what you've seen here today, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join the conversation in the comments section below because this is an exceptional audience. If you'd like help with a portfolio review, gear selection, finding or honing your artistic voice, sign up for a one-on-one mentoring video call via Zoom at 3bmep.com/booking. Finally, please consider supporting our work by using the no-cost-to-you affiliate links down below. sending us coffee money via PayPal, or most especially joining us on Patreon, links down below as well. However you choose to support us, as always, we thank you for it.